In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call on Slack. Whether you're working remotely or trying to coordinate with team members in different locations, Slack's calling feature can be a real game changer for effective communication. Let's start with the basics. Suppose you want to call someone directly on Slack. The easiest way to do this is to open a direct message, or DM, with the person you'd like to reach. Once you have their chat window open, you'll notice a phone icon located somewhere near the top of the window. Simply click on that phone icon and Slack will start connecting you to that individual, allowing for a seamless audio conversation. It's as simple as that. But what if you need to call multiple people at once or prefer to initiate a call from a shared workspace? In such cases, you can use the call feature within a specific Slack channel. To do this, navigate to the channel where all desired participants are present or can easily join. Once you're in the channel, locate the details icon, which usually looks like a small eye in a circle, in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this details icon, which provides various options, including the phone icon. Select it to start your call with all available members of that channel. This can be incredibly handy for group discussions or team meetings. Slack also offers a more casual and flexible way to connect called Huddle. Huddles are great for impromptu audio conversations, almost like a quick check-in or a virtual water cooler chat. You can initiate a huddle in both direct messages and channels. All you need to do is click on the Huddle icon, which you'll find at the bottom left part of your Slack window. Starting a huddle can bring unexpected productivity, allowing for quick question resolutions or brainstorming sessions without needing to schedule a formal call. A few tips before you start making calls. It's always a good idea to check your audio settings beforehand. Make sure your microphone and speakers or headphones are properly connected and set up in Slack. This ensures clear communication during your calls. And remember, if you're on a larger team, try to schedule calls at times when everyone is likely to be available to minimize disruptions and maximize efficiency. Now you're ready to make calls on Slack like a pro, whether you need a one-on-one conversation, a group discussion, or a spontaneous chat session. I hope you find these steps helpful in staying connected with your team and enhancing your communication experience on Slack. Thank you for watching, and happy calling.